Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to code guys Infinix phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Infinix phone guys app lock password forget setting. How to forget app lock password in Infinix mobile. Friends, you want to forget your Infinix mobile phone app lock password. So how to forget app lock password one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. Friends, you have locked any app and friends you want to unlock app, and friends you don't know your password app lock password, friends you don't know. So how to unlock apps one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So friends, first of all, open your app. Which app friends you have logged? Friends, I have logged YouTube app. Friends, you can see forget password. Friends, click here forget password and then enter your security question. Friends, if you know your mobile security question, so when you can forget your app lock password, you can unlock your YouTube app. Otherwise guys, you cannot unlock. Friends, you will have to erase all data on your device. You will have to factory reset. So friends, search your factory reset and you will have to factory reset, then friends you can unlock your app lock setting. So friends, I know my security question. So friends, if you know your security question, click here, enter your security question. After enter friends security question, friends click here done option, and friends you can see app lock setting will unlock, and friends we can use app lock. Friends, draw new pattern, and friends remember your pattern. Okay friends, don't do any mistake. Friends, I will use this L pattern guys. Next, come back. Friends, you can see YouTube is locked. Friends, you want to unlock your YouTube app. So friends, first of all lock your screen. Friends, you can see YouTube app is locked. Friends, you want to unlock your YouTube app. Friends, you can see we have new pattern, we can draw, we can unlock YouTube app. So like that friends, you can forget app lock password in your Infinix mobile. So bye bye friends, thanks for watching the video. Friends, now do you have any doubt related to guys your app lock setting, app lock password setting? So you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.